How to install the Ring Doorbell. In order to do so, first thing you can follow up the steps. So in order to install it first, you can download the Ring app on your device. So in order to do so, head over to your Play Store on your device and go ahead and search for Ring Doorbell app and hit search. And then hit search. Once you go ahead and hit search, you will be finding these results. Now from the given results, you can go ahead and tap on Ring, always home, this one right here, and look for the install option on your screen. Just go ahead and install it. Once you go ahead and hit install, just wait for the installation to be completed. After that, you can create an account and sign in. And the next thing you need to do is charge the battery of your Ring doorbell and set it near to your Wi-Fi network. Then locate your existing doorbell wiring and mount the Ring doorbell bracket, connecting the wires and securing the doorbell. And you can use this application in order to control it. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.